Hey guys, I'm Anjali. Welcome back to my channel Funkara. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful floral themed mandala. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to blend two gouache colors and you'll also learn how to make a mandala step by step. So if you're interested, do keep on watching. And if you're new here, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. You'll be needing a white sheet for this. I'm using Anupam's 200 GSM watercolor sheets, some flat brushes and some gouache paints. I'll be using a hot pink color and lime green color. And for the florals, I'll be using a dark pink and dark green. So start by taking some hot pink color, and with the help of a flat brush, I'm just painting horizontally like this, and you just have to go down in this motion. Now using lime green color, I'm just painting in the same motion, but this time going from bottom to top. Now I've taken some white paint on a new brush, and now with the help of this white paint, I'll be just blending both the colors together. Now our colors are blended properly, and now we'll just leave this to dry. Now we'll start with making the mandala. So for that, I'm dividing the pages in two equal halves, horizontally as well as vertically, and then we'll just find a center point from where we can start making our markings. Now with the help of a pro circle, I'll be making some markings which will be useful for making the grid lines. So I'll be making the markings at every 10 degrees. You can increase this or decrease this according to your wish. Now with the help of a scale, we'll join the opposite points which will help us make the grid lines. A grid line for the mandala is ready. So in this portion we'll be making the mandala, and for the rest of the portion we'll be making florals. I'm using a dark pink color for making the florals. So all you need to do is just put the brush and just press it, and you'll just get these kind of beautiful petals. It's very easy and very simple. We're done with making the florals, and now we'll move on to painting the branches and the leaves. So for that, I'm using this bright dark green color. Now that we're done with making the flowers and the petals, I'm just adding some details on the flower by using this white color. We're done with making the flowers, and now we'll just move on to making a mandala. With the help of a compass and a pencil, I'll start with making some circles like this. Now you can also go ahead and use the pen directly. I like to use my pen directly instead of using the pencil first because I'm comfortable in that. If you're not comfortable with using a pen, you can first use a pencil and then use a pen over it. It's all up to you. I'm done making the circles, and now I'll just start with the designs. So I don't usually start from the center, and I'll just make the basic outline for all my designs like this. So I'm almost done with making my basic outline, and this is design which I've made in this particular grid. I've actually kind of lost the footage wherein I showed you how to make this kind of a design, but this design is pretty easy and simple to recreate. So I hope you can recreate this, or I'll just try to put in this design in some of my other video. I'm almost done with my designs, and now I'm just filling up the extra portions left. Now coming to the centermost portion, I usually do it at the end. Now using an eraser, I'm just erasing off all the extra unnecessary lines which we made earlier. And we are done with making this floral themed mandala. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you recreate this, do not forget to tag me on Instagram. And until then, see you in the next video.